Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be talking about what you should pick as your store name, what brand name you should go for, and what are the do's and don'ts of picking a store name, because I know a lot of people get stuck on this part and they don't know what to call their store. And it's really simple. Just keep it simple, don't make it overcomplicated, but at the same time don't just make it general, because I've seen a lot of people, what they do is, let's say they're doing free plus shipping model, which is basically when you offer a product for free and then charge shipping. What they do is call their store name free plus shipping, or if they're giving deals, then they would just call it daily deals, or make it super general like electronic store or something like that. So you don't want to make it super general, you don't want to make it long, and also you don't want to make it something that people won't remember. So you want to get a name that is catchy and it's simple and it just summarizes your store in 2 or 1 word. So what you can do is, if you cannot come up with name for your store, you can just have your main name. Like, so let's say you're in the fashion industry, you can call it fashion something or something before fashion. Or like if you're selling jewelry, then you can have jewelry, diamonds, gold, whatever it is. And also what you can do is you can go to Shopify business name generator and just add 1 word. So let's just say fashion. You can generate names. Fun fact, I actually found one of my store names from this, so it's actually pretty helpful, and you can actually find good names over here. So Fashion Cloud, Fashion Card, Gold Mine Fashion, Unleashed Fashion. So tons of names that you can pick from and get ideas from. One Up Fashion, Savvy Fashion. So pick something that is catchy, small, and also for your logo, what you can do is actually go to Fiverr, and I'll leave a link down below. It's a affiliate link and it will help me out. But basically you can go to Fiverr, and I'll link it to the guy that I use because he's really good and I want him to get more business, because he does unlimited revisions, he does what I want. And if you don't like the logo again, you can make it again. You can tell him to make something else and he actually does it, and he actually does it in 24 hours. So I want to just shout it out, and I'll leave a link down below. But anyways, so you just give him your store name, and then what you can do is actually go to your competitor's store, see what type of logo they're doing, if it's just text, if it's a mascot, whatever it is, see what they're doing. You can link that to your logo maker, and then he'll make something around it. So it's super simple. You pay like $7 and you get a really high quality logo, which is enough for your brand. Like, it looks good and that's all you want for only $7. So yeah, you can find your name through Shopify business name generator, and again, just make it small, make it catchy, keep it simple. It basically is summarizing your store in 2 words, so just try your best. But yeah guys, it's really simple. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new, we're so close to 100 subscribers, and leave a like if you guys enjoyed this video. That's pretty much it guys.